How can you install YouTube on a laptop or a computer? Let's go to the Chrome browser. Then after opening, after you can find our here installed YouTube. Just click and click install. Okay, if yes, then after YouTube will in the taskbar. Okay, and I can find our here selected option of the YouTube. We can install this as browser. Just open the YouTube and click this 3 button. After here, you can go to apps and just click the install YouTube and click the install. Okay, and so you can install YouTube computer or laptop very easy. If this video really helped you, then let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.